It's our June Workspace Spark unboxing. Let's dig right on in. You're gonna love this box. All right, so this month's box is beating burnout at work. So a lot of you are burned out. I'm burned out. Hybrid work, corporate, remote work, going in the office. Just this time of year, burnout is real. And I don't think we talk enough about it. So super excited to be bringing you Beating Burnout at Work for this theme of this box. Now, this month, we're going to be doing a training about burnout in our Facebook group. So if you're a subscriber, please check your email so that you can see when we're going to be launching our Facebook Live, our Facebook group training. And guess who's going to be doing the training? Who's that beautiful girl? That's me. So I can't wait to see you this month as we talk about beating burnout. So let's dive right on in. First things first, our book, Burnout, The Secret to Unlocking the Stress Cycle. I will tell you, I read this book and immediately told Workspace Sparks founder that we have to have this in the box. This book is so great because not only does it talk about burnout, but it also talks about the cycle and what goes through our brains and how we can, the only way we can really get through burnout is to understand why we're wired that way. So great, great book. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's talk about it in our Facebook group. Next, let's do lunch bag. This lunch bag is so cute. Can you see it? Yes, so for those who are going back to the office, you want to take your lunch in, or like me, I go to co-working spaces, I go to coffee shops, and sometimes I could bring me a little snack. So this one, and some of our subscribers got this cute polka dot one as well. So our lunch bag. Now, why a lunch bag? Why the self-love lunch box to put your food in? Because one thing about burnout is we work through our lunch break. And so this month we are focusing on taking your lunch break. Take some rest. Rest is not something that is just a reward after working so hard. It's a necessity. So we want to make sure that you are taking your lunch. You are setting up time. So put it on your calendars, put it on your phone calendar, set boundaries at your job to make sure you're taking your lunch. And so this was the bamboo lunchbox. Ditch that boring single-use plastic bag and let's keep the environment safe with this cute self-love lunchbox. Next is the bamboo utensil set. So we will not give you a lunch bag, a lunchbox, and not give you the right utensils. So we gave you reusable bamboo utensil set so that you can have your lunch in style, whether that's at a park, whether that is at work, whether it's at a coffee shop or a co-working space. You have all the tools you need to have a great lunch, and you could be reading your book during your lunch break. So hope that you enjoy this box. Please leave comments in the bottom to let us know. Until next time,